saying goodbye to the G80. I gotta get everything out. All my belongings. Super downpipe in here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss this car. But the time has come. Yeah guys, it's a sad day. We're really saying goodbye to it. I don't want to, but it has to be done. Look, you guys think I'm lying, huh? It's really going bye-bye, bro. That's it. No more G80. Damn, bro, this is sad. But this is a sick trailer, though. At least it won't scrape. My R8 would definitely get on here. You guys remember how bad it was trying to put my R8 on the tow truck? It was almost impossible. I almost broke the freaking $3,000 lip. Yeah, look, his truck and trailer is on bags. That's sick. Woo! Barely, you're chilling. I'm gonna get a new one literally today. Damn, this car looks so sick. Yeah, the clutch is so stiff. So it's pretty hard to drive. But yes, we're saying goodbye, guys. And I'm joking, all right? It's just clickbait. It's just YouTube. Your boy has to clickbait to get the views, to get the money, to be able to do things like we're doing today. All right? As long as the video is cool, don't worry about the title and thumbnail. I hate how people get so mad about titles and thumbnails. Us as YouTubers, we gotta do it. It's part of the job. You want to get the views, you want to get the money, you have to do it, bro. Or else no one's going to click on the video, you know? The video could be as lit as possible, but if the title and thumbnail's trash, no one's going to watch it. So anyways, long story short, it is a little bit of clickbait. We are saying goodbye to it, but not forever. It's actually going to come back better than ever. This thing's actually getting sent off to SenCal Motorsport because we're finally going to do a big single turbo kit on the G80, which I am so excited for, bro. I've been trying to do this since the day I bought it. Like, when I bought the car, I was like, bro, one day I'm gonna single turbo it. Finally, we're gonna do it. I told you guys. It's gonna be so sick when it's done, bro. It sounds so crazy. It's gonna be so fast. And yeah, I just cannot wait. You guys really think I was gonna sell it? But yeah, I wanna give a huge shout out to SenCal Motorsport. We've been talking about this for a very long time and we're finally about to make it happen. I wanna shout out to all the companies too. We'll talk more about it. What's up, bro? You know who I am? I like the car, bro. This shit hard. That was funny. He caught me vlogging. But yeah, huge shout out to SenCal Motorsport and all the companies involved. We'll talk about more about it when the car gets there and stuff. But for now, we're gonna take the car over there. They're gonna powder coat the turbo, a special color for me, and all this good stuff. Once everything's there at the shop, we'll make our drive down there, but it's super far, all the way in Oceanside. So again, huge shout out to SenCal Motorsport for coming and picking up my car from my house and taking it all the way down there. So that is sick. Next week, once everything's powder coated, everything's ready, I'll probably go down there and film the whole install process for you guys. But yeah, finally, it's getting single turbo, bro. I'm so freaking hyped. It's gonna sound crazy. You guys know how race cars sound. That's how I want mine to sound. Like that turbo spool just the whole time, just spooling up. It's gone. My G80. Oh, the alarm went off. It thinks it's getting stolen, bro. No way. There you go. That's funny. Can you guys believe that David's never been in R8? I'm about to give him a ride right now. It's not running the best. I think I mentioned it in the other video, I think, but I am taking the car to Sheepy on Monday. They're actually gonna come pick it up, I think. So yeah, another car is gonna be out of the fleet. The G80 went today, and then Monday the R8 leaves. Oh, and then the E92 might go to bulletproof powder coating to get their wheels redone. So we about to be down to just the F80 and the Supra. And the Supra right now is in Irvine at Premium. So I got no cars, bro. I'm stuck with just the F80. Anyways, the car's not running the best right now. So Sheepy's gonna take a look at it on Monday. I think we're gonna clean out the injectors and it should be good, but I think it'll still be fun. Give David a ride right now. You ready, boss? Are you scared? No bugs. Look, guys, I'm still drinking this water. But check this out, guys. We just met it with the homies. Bro, I hope I can show Ray's car. You posted your car? I posted it on TikTok and everything, so I'm oh, okay, so I can film it finally, dude. We've been kicking it at Ray for like the past couple weeks, but I have not been able to film his car because he hasn't revealed the wrap yet. But it's been wrapped like this for like a month. And me and David both leaked it on accident on Instagram, remember?
Someone said W leak.
This shit looks sick, bro. Oh, you just washed it on.
Look at that shit.
Damn. Yeah, that shit is crazy.
Bro, you guys need a flick right now.
I like that he wrapped the hood and just kept like the little stripes. Looks like a CS. We here. David's coming for this though.
Well, look at good.
What is it? Like shakes?
Crepes, crepas.
I'm down. We just made it to a car meet. I'm gonna stop here, film a little bit. There's not that much crazy. There's another one up the street too. You feeling yourself in the R8?
I'm tired, bro. We go to the gym after.
Let's go. Guys, today we 4 days in a row at the gym. We're not gonna miss a day. What's up?
Sir.
Hi.
I'm gonna park you over there.
Hi.
Oh.
Ray, corrupt me. Oh shoot, Laguna Seca Blue. That's the OG Laguna Seca Blue. That shit clean. We made it. Check this out. We parked next to the Laguna Seca Blue and the Laguna Seca Blue 135 over there. And look, my car literally matches. All three of them. It's funny because it really is close to Laguna. Like this is like actual Laguna Seca Blue and you can kind of see the difference. It's almost the same. I feel like mine's like a little bit more green, but pretty much the same, dude. Look at Ray's car, guys. Finally, I can show it. It's insane, bro. It's all satin silver now. He actually got chrome B-locks on it now, too. I think him and Danny traded. Oh my God. But yeah, this thing looks so fire. I think this is definitely Ray's cleanest setup, bro. And the hood, how he wrapped it, it's kind of like the CS's, how they have like the stripes. I like that. I look, you want to do it on my next wrap. And then of course the big old single turbo, which we're about to do. What's up, G? You tired?
Yeah.
Bro, this shit looks sick.
Right, nice.
Now I can finally show it
know, right?
on my vlog. But yeah, it looks so fire with all like the carbon exposed. All this shit stands out crazy.
Yeah, look, looks like that dog.
But like your car?
Yeah,
Low key, huh?
Wait, got
They low key's the same.
What?
You should get this shit. It'll match your car. It'll give you hella downforce too. Bro, it literally matches your wrap though.
Get this exhaust for your R8.
Oh hell.
That's
That's you. This is all you came here for?
What kind of
For the snacks?
Look at the extra large, $35.
Oh, hell. This what you're getting?
That shit looks good. Yeah, okay, that looks good. That's fine, that's fine.
Can we share it?
Yeah, I'm done.
The same spoon? Look at this food.
This is gas or what?
It looks kind of gas. Do you like it?
Wow.
Damn, there's a Huracan here. I'm not the only supercar. It's low-key pretty sick. You guys like the wing? I like the wheels. The wheels are hard. Are they carbon? They are. Still want a Huracan, guys. Oh, this shit nice. What the heck? Wait, this shit clean, bro. Look at it.
That shit's fine. I told her.
Bro, this shit fire. It's a new one too with the E88s and the roll cage, the Recaros. Yo, this shit is hella nice, bro. Bro, this is fire. What is it, British Racing Green, I think? Bro, this is sick. Those are so nice. They're very rare on the G chassis,
What?
the E88s.
Why?
I don't know. Eat it.
That's why I came, literally. I've been coming in forever. The best thing I do is get this.
R34? Damn, that shit looks sick. You need one, Ray? Oh my God, bro, this shit is so nice. It has the whole kit on it too, the fenders, the hood, all that. I need one, guys, I need one, but they just need to drop in price because they're way too freaking expensive. Yo, this shit fire, bro. I feel like I don't really show a lot of love to the Hondas, but this is my style right here. You guys already know me. Chrome TEs, red. All right, guys, now we are in a McLaren, bro. I know this is super random, but my boy Aryan met up with us and we're switching cars. Twin turbo R8 and full bolt-on, tune, everything, 570S. This is literally the other car I was debating on getting before the R8. It was between this and the R8, so it'll be like the test. You ready?
This
It's fast, bro. I think you're gonna think this is faster than mine.
Yeah, you could.
My car's just smooth. This one's like more rowdy, so like it feels scarier, which is sick. Aryan does not want to drive my car, guys. Like he's so paranoid. He's like, bro, I don't want to blow it up. I don't want it to catch fire. And then he hopped in right now and he was like, bro, there's a check engine light. But his too, we both got check engine lights. Bro, there's pros and cons to both cars. That's why I was so stuck between like
And the
what to get.
And the doors open.
The doors go up, my car doesn't.
Oh, it's not open.
My car is probably more reliable, maybe without the twin turbos. But this thing's probably faster, way faster, stock versus stock.
It feels like raw, you know, huh?
Like now that my car's twin turbo, that's the only chance that I have to even like keep up with this thing. What was the conflict?
Oh, hell no.
Arya's for sure scared.
For sure, huh?
I love how Arya looks. They're both sick cars. Like literally, it's so hard to pick. So sick.
shit does sound hard, huh?
Yeah, this car is so much more bouncier.
I like it, I bet.
You like yours better still or no?
It's very different.
They're so different, bro. Damn, my car looks sick. Look how low the front is, David. Look at the fitment, bro. I don't even know how I'm gonna get away with that.
Bro, I'm just scared of big.
Don't be scared, you're chilling.
I'd be scared too, but that car is low. Oh my gosh. That shit does sound sick.
You hear that squeaky noise?
Yeah.
What is that? McLaren problem, bro. That's the only downside, like,
You can't daily drive this car at all, huh?
it's like a race car. That's comfortable.
Damn, you get comfortable, huh? Oh my gosh, bro, it is quick. Bro, it is quick.
That's so fast, though.
Damn, bro, it does feel hella clunky.
It's janky?
Yeah, like yours feels smooth, you know?
Yeah, my car is so smooth, bro. Like, you can just daily drive an R8, but this is like, it's just more stiff, like more race car feeling.
Oh my gosh, bro. It's been, wait. It's rear drive?
It's real wheel drive.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, this shit's sick.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
That shit probably doesn't get like boring too when it spins and shit, huh?
That's why I wish mine did. I wish my shit spun. My shit doesn't spin at all.
Oh my god, bro, it's fast. I swear to you, it's fast. Bro, that shit's fast. I'm not gonna lie to you. I swear I missed the feeling of daddy's already. You guys, I swear to you, when you guys go in a car over 1,000 horsepower, it's a whole different fucking feeling.
It does,
Now this shit's quick though. How fast is this, like horsepower wise?
I don't even know. Probably around mine, like 800 maybe.
That's fast though. 800 is fast.
I'm gonna be honest, I think my R8 is faster.
Yeah?
I think, bro. Like the way I feel and pull in the R8, I think it's harder than this.
I thought we haven't like had like a really good one, no? And yours all-wheel drive.
I know.
This shit spins. That shit for sure fun.
They're pretty similar, I think. It'll be a close race.
Look, I want to see a beat on your shit. Who's babying it? Oh, he's right there.
Ario's all scared to step on it in my car.
That shit right here.
Oh my god. These roads are so fast.
Bro, your shit hooks, bro.
Shit looks sick driving. It's like a freaking Batmobile.
That shit is hard, bro.
Oh, wow, I love the R8.
I want to hear what you have to say about it.
What happened? That shit's sick. Which one do you think's faster?
You probably didn't say anything about yours.
Step on it, bro. He's so scared.
That shit's hard, bro.
Yeah, the R8 just looks insane. That shit got aura, bro. See that shit drive? God damn. Look at these guys. What the? What, you about to get ran over, bro?
This is crazy. We're in Philly or what? We're in Philly or what?
These guys are tripping. We're in a GTA lobby. But this shit's sick. It's such a different feeling, huh? This shit feels like so raw. That's comfortable.
It feels like a RS6 or something.
Bro, it's so comfortable, bro.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
That one you get daily. I don't know about this. Look how slapped that shit is. Dude, it's so low. Like, I don't even understand. What the?
Oh shit.
What the heck is this?
Oh, we got no more shit on.
This looks like the one from Cars.
Like,
All right, I think
you with a girl, you tell her to get on, she has to do all this.
David likes the doors. Me too, bro. The doors is a freaking flex. Oh my god, this shit is heavy though. I'm just sore from the freaking gym. All right, that was fun, guys. Do I regret my purchase? Buying the R8 over this? I don't think so, bro. I still love the R8 more in my opinion. I love the doors. I love how fast this thing is. I like how it sounds. I like the Alcantara in here. It feels like a race car. But the fact that one you get like daily drive, it's so comfortable. The twin turbos makes it fast, just as fast as this, if not faster. And I don't know. I love the R8 more, bro. In my opinion, guys. I don't know. I do want a McLaren though. But I'm thinking like 600 LT or 720S. I want to test drive a 720 before I make up my mind. But dude, the door being up is the best, dude. Like this just looks so sick. You know how good that looks. That's the only thing I wish the R8 had, even though it would look really weird with butterfly doors. Which do you like better?
I don't know, it's two different cars, bro. I was telling him, I was like, I like how the doors go on that.
I like the doors too.
How did it feel driving it?
It just feels more raw, like a race car.
Yeah,
this is so comfortable.
This is way more
smooth,
like that,
quiet.
Like, fit in there.
Yeah.
And it has CarPlay.
And it has CarPlay.
Yeah.
But I got these doors, look, these broke people doors. I'm just kidding.
But the thing is, like, your car, it looks nice and like it's just perfect.
It's perfect, bro.
But it feels
I love the R8.
It would be boring, like if it wasn't.
Yeah, it needs the turbos, honestly. I don't think I would ever go back to an NA on this. It has to be turbo now. Like, if I ever got a Huracan, I'll probably twin turbo it too. Oh, look, he's here. Yeah, now we got a Ferrari, an Audi R8, and a McLaren. All three different kinds. Which one are you taking?
Bro. The Ferrari's hard.
You're taking the Ferrari, huh? David's a Ferrari type of guy. Yeah, top down. Oh, what about that? The Maybach.
That shit is hard. Maybach.
Sheesh. Yeah, I love my R8. I don't regret it, bro. I like this better.
Yeah.
I love the McLaren, but
Don't you get both of them?
I think it's better. Ah, I should have bought both. I want that though.
Who's that?
She's waving at you.
Who's that?
Go get her. It's your girlfriend.
Oh, baby.
Hey, she for sure sees the cars, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
She sees a Ferrari, an R8, and a McLaren. I would stop too. I'm just kidding. If I was a girl.
She just came over here.
All right, we back in the R8 now. Back to my own car. I love this car. I love that one too. I wish I could have both. To be honest, they're not bad at all. Like, there's no right or wrong car. So if anyone's trying to decide, I would say go test drive them, guys. It's all personal opinion. But they're both very sick cars for the money. Like, they're both exactly the same price too. You could get one for like 130. Same with this, and up. I don't know. I like the R8.
Yeah. Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.